Okay, this is Kenny Draper doing a roof video inspection, 3972 Mount Aladin Avenue. I always start out my video inspections at the eaves. The eaves have the starter boards, the rafter tails, and the fascia boards. Now this house doesn't have fascia boards around the entire house, and in the front of the house he has a decorative fascia board. Not a big deal, but if we do need to replace any of that, we'll have to go have it cut. And same with these rafter tails. There's a little bit of a decorative design at the end of these. Therefore, that's why the fascia board wasn't put in, so that you could show off that design. There is a drip edge on this roof. There is 2 layers of architectural asphalt shingle. After walking around the eaves, I detected a small amount of damage, nothing crazy. It's a good way for me to determine how much wood is going to need to be replaced. Stuff like this is what I'm looking for. So in that case, you know, I see like these rafter tails don't have that design, so it would be kind of good if we needed to replace any of those. Be a little bit easier. Okay, and so yeah, we got 2 layers here of asphalt shingle. Okay, let me show you the nailing pattern and tell you a little bit about how this roof was installed. Okay, boom, nail. That's in a good spot, far away from the seam, up a little high. And then we got this side with no nail. So weird. Okay, there also is not ridge caps on this roof. Somebody just overlaid shingles on the last this last layer. They didn't put a ridge caps on this. It's not going to last as long, but it is an acceptable way to do it. I've seen it around. The weave could have been done a little bit better on these valleys, but you could see the fiberglass showing on the majority of the roof, and the granule loss. I mean, it's heavy. Got a bunch of looks like raccoon dumping up here, probably in this tree. You got 2 turbine vents, whirlybird vents. This one's spinning, this one's not. We don't like to install these anymore. They have moving parts. They fail just like this one. That one should be spinning. You do have a little cricket around your chimney, which is good. The flashing will all need to be replaced. We have a satellite dish is mounted onto the roof. That's a no-no. We like to have those mounted to the fascia. There's a little mounting bracket you can get from DirecTV for that. We have a powered fan here for the attic. Totally fine. You can see that that second layer, how it comes over the flashings, so it's easy for me to tell. There's 2 layers on this roof. And you can again see more of that fiberglass shining back at me. Walking around this roof, well, I like to walk the entire roof to detect softness. When walking around this roof, I did not detect a lot of soft spots. So I do believe that a lot of the and there is 2 layers, so you know so I am walking on quite a bit of shingle, but I'm not feeling like there's a lot of plywood sheets that need to be replaced. So that's a good sign. So we're going to want to quote a new roof. We're going to tear this off, tear off the old underlayment, inspect the wood, put a brand new 50-year warranty Owens Corning roof on this. That's the end of the inspection. Thank you very much.